Mauna Kea Beach Hotel Hawaii app. The pros, the cons. Planning a luxury stay in Hawaii. The Mauna Kea Beach Hotel app promises to enhance your resort experience, but does it deliver? One of the biggest pros is convenience. Most people get this wrong by assuming luxury hotels rely solely on front desk services. With the app, you can check in before arrival, reserve dining, schedule spa treatments, and even book activities like golfing or snorkeling. It's like having a personal concierge in your pocket. Another advantage is real-time updates. The app notifies you about resort events, weather conditions, and special offers, so you never miss an opportunity to make the most of your stay. For example, you might get a last-minute alert about a sunset beach ceremony or a discounted spa package. The app also enhances communication. You can chat with hotel staff for requests, from extra towels to room service, without having to call or wait in line. This seamless interaction adds to the luxury experience and reduces stress during your vacation. However, there are cons. Some guests report that certain features, like activity reservations, occasionally lag or show limited availability. The app can also drain your phone battery quickly if used extensively, and offline functionality is minimal, which matters if you're in remote areas of the resort. In conclusion, the Mauna Kea Beach Hotel app is excellent for planning, booking, and enhancing your stay at this iconic Hawaiian resort. The surprising truth is that while it streamlines many services, it's not flawless, and some real-time features may occasionally fall short. If you want a stress-free, organized, and luxurious experience at Mauna Kea Beach Hotel, the app is a helpful companion, but always have a backup plan for key reservations or offline needs.